Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Docker with AI inference containers for automation. Complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Docker with AI inference containers for automation, begin by installing Docker on your machine. Visit the official Docker website and download the installer that matches your operating system. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, open the terminal or command prompt to verify that Docker is running correctly. Type Docker version and press enter to check the installed version of Docker. Next, pull an AI inference container image from a repository. For example, use the command docker pull TensorFlow/TensorFlow latest to get the latest TensorFlow image. After the image is downloaded, run the container using the command docker run p8501:8501 name equals tf_model t TensorFlow/serving. This command maps port 8501 of the container to port 8501 on your local machine for accessible API requests. To prepare your AI model for inference, create a directory on your machine to store the model files. Place your trained model in this directory, following the required naming conventions for TensorFlow serving. Modify your docker run command to include the volume flag, linking your model directory to the container. Use v/path/ to /your/model/models/your_model in your run command, replacing the path and model name as appropriate. Now, start the Docker container with the updated command. Your AI inference container is now running, ready to serve predictions. Next, you can test the API using a curl command or any API testing tool. For instance, use curl-d signature_name:serving_default instances frownyface input_tensor frownyface _data content type application/json expost http://localhost 8501/v1/models/your_model predict. Replace your _data with the actual data format your model expects. If everything is set up correctly, you should receive a prediction response in JSON format. For automation purposes, consider creating a Docker Compose file to simplify container management. In the Docker Compose file, define the services and model configurations for easier deployment. With Docker and AI inference containers set up, you can now integrate this into your larger automation workflows. Monitor your Docker containers using Docker PS to ensure they are running smoothly. Adjust resource allocation as needed by modifying the Docker run flags for performance tuning. Explore additional features like scaling multiple containers for handling high prediction demands. Keep your Docker images updated to leverage the latest performance improvements and security patches. Document your process to facilitate easy setup on different machines or for future reference. By following these steps, you will successfully enable Docker with AI inference containers for seamless automation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.